You ever been in the shower and the water starts to pool around your feet and you wonder, why isn't my tub draining? Well, I'm going to show you why, and it's pretty disgusting. Hey everybody, I'm Tony Collum, and now I'm going to show you probably one of the most disgusting things you're going to encounter as a homeowner, and that is a drain that's clogged with a hairball and shampoo and conditioner, amongst other things. So stay tuned. Here are a couple of tools that I use to prevent the drain clog and to also help to remove the drain clog should you ever get one. You can find both of these items at Home Depot. One is a replacement drain stopper. The other is a slender plastic stick with barbed ends on it that will help you to grab a hold of said clog while you're operating in the tub and to remove the impediment from the drain. It's not a perfect solution, but it will work. I will link both of these down in the description below. Also, you will see that you can use a snake, a handheld snake of some sort that rotates. I'll link one of those. Here's a picture of that. And worst case scenario, you can get a roto-rooter to come out and look at it and see what you can get out of that drain. But again, you're spending money, and this is more about how to do things yourself, DIY. So use these tools. Ask your local professional at Home Depot to see what they recommend, but these are the two things that I use commonly amongst the hand rotating snake gadget thing. But you got to be careful with those because those can be cheap and not worth the time or effort. So there you go. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, so to speak. I know it's kind of disgusting to look at. This kind of things, regular maintenance of tubs and stuff like that, are part of being a homeowner, and it's part of why I do what I do here on this channel. So if you like content like this, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, the round subscribe icon. Like the video if you liked it. Share, subscribe, comment down below. I sure would appreciate it. See you next time.